Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing chicken 65 gravy recipe with you all. So let's see how it's prepared. All ingredients you just need is I had taken 1.5 kilograms of chicken, which is cut it into small pieces, and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and half tablespoon of salt, and add half a cup of curd. Add juice of 1 lemon and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Just marinate this chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Marinate well. Let this marinated chicken rest for 2 hours before frying. In a pan, add oil, fry the chicken pieces. Just keep aside this leftover water of chicken. Be careful not to over fry the chicken. Now chicken is partially fried. In another pan, add 50 grams of butter. When it starts melting, add 8 green chilies. When smell comes, add half a cup of coriander leaves. And half a cup of curry leaves. When smell comes, add leftover water of marinated chicken. When it starts boiling, add chicken pieces. Now add half a cup of tomato ketchup. Mix it really well. add 1/4 cup of curd. Mix it really well. Now our chicken 65 gravy is ready. If you want more gravy, just add little water. So this recipe is really easy to prepare but really tasty to eat. So please try this recipe and comment me. If you like my video, don't forget to like and share. If you're watching my channel for first time, please subscribe.